Welcome to the Phoenix Feed. I'm Robin.
And I'm Amaya.
If you're applying for the SMAC election, your application is due on Tuesday.
The food drive is ending this Friday. Please bring food to help kids during spring break to have enough to eat. They need your help.
This Friday is a free dress day. Remember, sweatpants and athletic pants are never allowed on free dress day.
Now we have a classroom spotlight.
Hi, I'm Ivy, and I'm here with Mr. Brooks. Can you tell us what you guys are doing today?
So today we are dissecting fetal pigs in biology.
Well, I'm going to get this one. Ta-da!
Now back to the newsroom.
Cool, thanks.
Now we have a student spotlight.
Hey, how are you today? I'm okay, but I'm tired and pretty hungry. I'm stressed too because we don't have much food at home and my parents will be busy working during spring break. That's terrible. Here, will this help? Yes, thank you so much. This is going to help so much.
Feed the hungry to feed your soul.
Yeah!
The food drive is almost over. We have 3 days left. Please continue to bring donations.
Thank you.
And now we have Cooking with Kevin.
That's all the announcements.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.